This is the way.
This is the way.
It
is now.
This is the good fucking times over here.
Oh.
Yes! Yes! Good day on the trail so far. Riley's having a bit of battery cable problems, so we're seeing if we can tighten that up. And I think we're getting close to lunchtime here. Probably gonna fire up the barbecue, have some burgers, but we'll keep going. We're out here searching for rocks. There's lots of good climbs around here, so should be lots of future rock crawling in this zone. We just have to make an effort to drive over it all. Should be good. Epic. We'll get to the top of the hill, see if we can take some shots from there. Nice.
Yeah.
I don't know if my wheelbase is gonna do her.
Well, it's a nice soft landing area if you go over backwards. I believe in you. Yeah! With a little bit of a sassy flair at the end. Bonus points. I'm doing my usual thing. Hoofing down the trail on foot. But at least I got a beer since I'm not driving today. We're gonna head on here. We're gonna head to the top of the hill apparently and fire up the barbecue because it's about 1 o'clock. And being as it's time changed, eh? Means it's noon, so we're getting hungry. But even though I've driven up here, I really don't remember much about this trail. So we'll hoof her along. It's gonna be a surprise for all of us. It's a neat little trail. It's not super extreme, but there's some good potential. There's some good rocks in here. So we'll be able to make some super gnarly rocks, some super gnarly lines here as we do some more wheeling in the spot here. Nice. I like how shiny Riley's fuel tank is now from the gas from all day. It's been the solvent wash all day long. A bit of grit there. Yeah. Shiniest thing honestly. Somehow I've not got my feet wet yet.
There we go. Now we're talking.
Oh, no fucking way. I'm really proud of myself for making it across there without getting my feet wet. It's gonna take a moment. Oh, I'm going down.
Well done.
Tuck and roll, boys. Tuck and roll. Oops. I just fell over. Oh, this is an old road. Somebody's driven up here before.
An old skidder or something.
I know the reason I fell down. It's because I was bragging about not getting my feet wet. So 5 seconds later, I wiped out.
It's kind of shitty right up through here, but...
Ah! One more time and you'll break that. Just gotta watch out from kicking and hitting you in the shins. Ask me how I know. Yes! And we're down! Oh yeah, some goodness over there too. We got some good rocks over this way. We got some good rocks over this way. We do not have a chainsaw to actually get these out of the way, so Yes!
Yes!
Oh yeah, now you win. Now turn hard passenger and back up so your tires are over here and hopefully break these. Did not break them at all. Great.
Fucking
Oh, my clutch leg.
This is the way.
This is the way.
it is now.
This is the good fucking times over here.
Oh.
I don't know what those guys are doing over there.
Good reaction time, Kevin Winder.
Wow.
Well done.
Hopped out, it popped out of gear. It rolled about 20 feet before he stopped it.
Pull the full
Well, there's a lot of trees there. It would have stopped. That probably got your blood pumping a little bit.
Shit, yeah.
Call you Bo Duke.
Oh, too bad I didn't have the camera running from the start, but yeah, it started to roll out when he hopped out. I hear a winch going down there. That's a bad sign. Well, we did a little landscaping here. We don't have a saw, so we're just moving things by hand, but we moved a few of the broken trees out of here. Now we're gonna try again.
Thank you.
It's still that same log back tire, but that's the direction you want to go.
Your tires need to be more straight.
Makes good squeaky sounds.
Not a girl, Kevin.
It's way prettier up here than over there, though. Those guys don't even know what they're missing. Yes. I even think if he ends up all the way over here, it's not going to be a big deal. Like he could come up right where I'm standing.
Yeah.
I believe in you.
Totally.
Alright.
Give her some test.
That's the way. You can go for a little regroup. Yes. Couple lucky bounces and you'll have that.
Oh, fuck yeah.
This side. Yes! Yes! Well done! Well, we got Kevin's Sammy up here. So now we're gonna force these guys to come up. Jim's rig should be no problem. Riley's it's gonna be a problem. But it's a good looking trail now. It's an old skidder trail. Yes, Riley, just on it. Hey, Riley. Let's pull this tree out. It's like through your suspension and your brake lines and everything, so.
Should I go forward?
No, stay right there. Can you turn it off? I just think that we gotta pull this out before we fuck anything up. There it is. Oh, it's coming out though. It's like through your leaf strings and all your brake lines. There we go.
Ready to go that way? I came up,
He-
but it ripped it over and backed up and then...
See that stump? He ended up the stump with his driver's tire right beside it. That's the way. Now regroup one shot.
Yeah, there's a log back there. You can put your back driver's tire on. Spot every fucking
It bounces you into that tree. Yes.
Yes!
Well done.
Go get your brake fluid.
The slight regroup. Oh yeah, brake fluid down. It's okay, it goes well with his fire extinguisher. Well done for an open front truck. I didn't think that was gonna happen. I think Jim should have no problems here. Is he gonna take the high side? Yeah, he is. Yeah, you should go on this side. regroup.
It's like going in reverse when I'm on an incline.
Just roll back and neutral. No, okay. Whew, okay, well, you probably committed. No?
Dude, your grill!
I need that. That's fun as fuck.
It's all kind of ghetto.
They were nice seats though. Nice.
Fire to be old barbecue. Berg's time.
I'm surprised I haven't lost
Nice job. I'll make sure we cut it. A lot of the time we don't cut it, just overlap it.
Yeah.
So expensive, right? You gotta cut it and get rid of it and it makes a mess and shit. But it's expensive. It's thick.
passenger seat.
That's how that's done.
Yeah. Did you get mustard on there?
No. We have barbecue chicken.
I'm going down. He's gonna have to get munched down.
Nice. Well done. Winch off this old rotten stump here. Hopefully it holds. Apparently you're not going backwards or forwards. Oh yeah, here it comes.